Hello everyone and welcome back to today's JavaScript programming series. So today we are exploring the object, literals and the constructor, two powerful way to create and manage object in JavaScript. So objects are cornerstone of JavaScript and understanding this technique will help you write better, cleaner code. Okay, so today the first example for creating and using object literals. So they are the simplest way to create object in JavaScript, and here an example. Okay, so first of all here I type the constructor, the name is a card is equal to, so here I'm creating this curly bracket. So first of all type is name, so the attribute is the parameter is the name rv, and the make, the first of all I'm creating is a port. Okay, and also using for the model, so just type the model is a cobalt and blue, and now here I'm type the model is civic. Okay, then I'm also creating year is a year, so just type the year and the year apply the 2021. Okay, then I will also type for here is a start, so start the start, and the start is calling the symbol of function and using this calligraphic. So this is when I type the output statement is console.log method, and so here I type the symbol of message, and first of all type the car as a started. Okay, so you can see here is properly type a car as a starter, and then in the analysis here creating, and you need the information, and first of all type in the information is console log method. So first of all here I'm printing for card dot and type only the name, and next step here type the card init and using the start in the function. Okay, so you can see this example here. Card is an object with properties like make, model and a method for start with literals are perfect for creating simple self-contained object, and however for creating multiple similar object you should create a constructor is a better choice. Okay, so now this time first of all save this code and let me run this code now, and just click on this run icon and see the result. So you can see here it's properly printing the output for the card you needed here, and the make is bold, and here the message for the card has started. Okay, so I hope you're understanding in this example. Output is done. The next topic here I'm using the constructor to create a project. So a constructor is a function designed to create multiple projects with similar properties as a method, and here an example you can see just a remove. Okay, it's not remove this inside I'm creating for the function. So first of all remove this. Okay, so remove it in and define the function name is a card. So now those things that I'm creating is three parameters. So first of all diagram me making module and part for the, okay, and also using these CLA brackets and using those method, and those dot type make is equal to, that is again that makes text. Again using for those method or type the module attribute and the tag model, and also using here using this dot notation, and then type for the year is equal to year attribute, and also creating here is the dot notation, and the type of the struct is equal to type the symbol of a functions, and using its these curly brackets. So here enter the output statement in console dot notation the log. Okay, here first of all it's not now and only using this, sorry, I'm just typed. Okay, here first of all I'm calling the symbol and also using the curly brackets. Okay, here first of all type this dot this, type the name attributes and again calling for the symbol and then type for those dot notation the module, and now it's completely creating a sender, and here I type for has started. Okay, you can see here is the properly type is multiple attribute and start is completely done almost. And now I'm going for another step, and here I'm creating this constructor. Okay, so first of all type is a constructor defined for the car one is equal type, here is a new. Okay, so is object the name the card and the I'll here declare the information. So post current name is ID, so apply the for. Okay, and the make the model name, also type the focus. Okay, then using for the year is it 2021, and again reading here. So now just going for constructor and declare is this is a card tool is equal to type of a new card, and this is a separate this information. So first of all here I type the card name is a village. Okay, is type village and also using for the make model is a Malibu. Okay, this kind of Malibu and using for creating year of 2022. Okay, so you can see here is almost completely in this book, and just apply the output stage main and creating this is a console log method. So here first of all I'm printing car one dot the mate. Okay, and again using this console dot log method and including here is a car2 notation and also type for here is a model. Next thing creating here is a car1 apply, and this is the start function. Okay, so you can see this example is completely done, and here using so just creating for it properly a constructor allows you to create reusable object templates by adding properties and make code in the constructor. You can generate multiple objects with share functionality. Okay, so here just save this code and click on this run icon and see the result. So firstly the printing code and the character model for here is a malleable, and also for the start those method for the print code focus has started. Okay, I hope you are understanding, and there's a work on the tool less tutorial on object literals and the constructor in Java. That's great. So in this tutorial is completely done, and I hope you perfectly understanding this technique will make your code more scalable and efficient. Okay,